Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to write the sets in set builder form. Now what is set builder form? The set builder form is basically it's a mathematical notation used to describe sets. Like we have a set, for example, we have a set and that set is 1, 2, 3 to so on 100. Now, how to write this set in set builder form? So to write this set in set builder form, we need to just figure out the sequence first. Like this is the sequence 1, 2, 3 to so on 100. So this means it's a sequence of natural numbers. So these are 100 natural numbers. And as we know that the natural numbers are numbers which start from 1. And natural numbers we have 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So this is basically a set of natural number of 100 numbers, and we know that what are natural numbers. Now to write this set in set builder form, we can write it as, let's pick an element. For example, I am picking an element x. Now what is this x? This x is basically a natural number, so x such that x belong to set of natural number. So first of all, I am taking an element x. This element, I'm just letting that x is an element, and I'm saying that x is a set of natural number. Okay, then this is the natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. But we have 100 natural numbers here. Okay, so if x is a natural number and this x is basically less than equal to 100, because we had only 100 natural numbers, not more than 100. So this is basically the set builder form of the above set. So this is, for example, this is example number 1. Now we will study example number 2. So now if I write a set in which 0 also include 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 up to so on till 100. So now how to write this in the set builder form? As we know that, so this is a sequence of basically whole number. Like in whole number we have, since we know that in whole number we have 0, 1, 2 up to so on, but here we have 100 whole numbers. So this means if we write this set in set builder form, so we will write it as curly bracket, we will taking an element x, for example, such that x belong to whole numbers, x belong to whole numbers, sorry. So we are taking an element x such that x belong to whole numbers, and this x is basically less than equal to 100. So this is the simple way to write set of sets in set builder form. So in this way we can easily write sets in set builder form, and this is a very basic technique. First of all, you need to understand the sequence, that what sequence is this. It's either natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. After figure out the sequence, then you need to write the limit here. Like first of all, I write the sequence like I am taking x and x is whole number, and then this sign is ends, and so then I'm taking the limit like this start from 0 to 100. So our limit is this x may be less than equal to 100. X may be 1, 2, 3, because x is a natural whole number, so it start from 0. Here x is natural number, so it start from 1. So in this way we can write any set in set builder form. Example number 3 is we have a set 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on plus minus 100. So now to write this set in set builder form, we need to figure out the sequence. The sequence is like 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. So it's a sequence of integers, and since we know that the set of integers are basically 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on. So to write this set in set builder form, so we need to take an element x such that x is basically belong to set of integers. Okay, and the limits are used from 0 to 100, plus minus 0 to plus minus 100. So x is basically greater than equal to minus 100, while less than equal to plus 100. Okay, so this is the set builder form of the above set. So now example number 4, we have a set n in which we have 0, minus 1, minus 2, up to so on, minus 500. So now we have a set. Now if you figure out, so this is also from a set of natural integers. Like in the set of integers, we have both. Like we have plus minus 1, plus minus 2. So here we only have the minus we use after 0, we have minus value. So this is basically from belong to set of integers. So we can write the set builder form as x such that x belong to set of integers, and this x is basically less than equal to 0. So we can write that the x is basically greater than equal to minus 500 and less than equal to 0. So we can easily write that it's starting from minus 100. As we know that minus 500 is the smallest value here. So x is basically greater than equal to minus 500, and after minus 500 we have minus 499, and then minus 498, then up to so on, minus 1, then 0. So 0 is the greatest number here. So x can be less than equal to 0, but it cannot be greater than 0. So this is the set builder form of the above set. So now example number 4 is we have the set of all integers, the set of all integers between minus 100 and 1000. So first of all, just figure out what the sequence is. As we already know that this is the set of all integers, and we know that the set of integers 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Since we know that set of integers is equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on. So it's already known in the set, and then it's between minus 100 to 1000. This means it's between, so minus 100 is not included, 1000 is not included, but between these values all values are included. So we will write the set builder form as we are taking an element x such that x is belong to set of integers, and the limit of that x is basically that x is strictly greater than minus 100 and strictly less than 1000. So we will take between these numbers. Like we cannot take minus 100, but similarly here we cannot take 1000. When we can take 999. So we are taking these numbers. So this is the simplest form, and this form is known as the set builder form. So now we have another example, and that is example number 5. It says that the set of all rational number. The question is that write the set of all rational number in basically set builder form. As we know that in set of rational numbers we denote it by q, and in set of rational number we have values which are in the form of q or q such that p and q both are belong to set of integers, and q is not equal to 0. So this is basically the set of rational number. So now say that the set of rational number, how we can write the set of rational number in set builder form. So to write this in set builder form, you can easily write that we are taking element x such that x belong to set of rational number. So this is all simple as all. We have no limit here, so we don't need to write it in the limit form. So in this way, you can easily write any set in set builder form. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more interesting videos about mathematics. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.